So what is happening to Bitcoin price lately, eh? So the pattern that I've been warning about for the last few days is playing out almost exactly. And should we get a drop to the low 40s, which is very likely, then that's probably a good place to pick up some cheap coins, as we will most likely get a bounce in the low 40s. But the biggest threat to crypto right now isn't even from crypto, it's from the SP 500. Look at that trend line. It's been supporting SP 500 for the last 18 months. And if it breaks, crypto will dump. We're just about to open on the Monday now for the stock market. And on Friday, the stock market left itself on a major cliffhanger. Look at that drop right there in red and on rising volume as well. So that's a very worrying sign. The last few times it's bounced off that line, bounced off that line, bounced off that line. The traders came in and just managed to save it. But this time, what if the traders don't come in and it cracks that line? Now, what are they worried about? Stagflation. And who's been warning about this?
That we're about to head into stagflation, meaning the prices of everyday items are going up, but the economy is going.
Why stagflation? Because the process by which goods and products are produced and delivered to you has been disrupted. But why?
I can think of a few.
Even before COVID pandemic began, US was raising tariffs on China. What does that mean? Chinese import prices into the United States, prices are going up. And they want to diversify factories out of China, so they took their factories that were originally in China and then put them into other places such as Vietnam and Malaysia and Indonesia. But now with the COVID pandemic, a lot of those countries are shut down. China factories are still open, so that's creating supply shortages. So a lot of those companies are stuck as they have to keep their old factories in China but open up new factories in other parts of the world, which means double the cost or 3 times the cost, and they have to pass that on to consumers. That cost then becomes inflation. Just like in the 70s, if stagflation is to happen, then gold prices should perform really well and Bitcoin should do really well. But for now, watch the stock market. It could take cryptos down with it.